Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how you can inpaint anything using Alimama provided Alimama Flux ControlNet inpainting. So for this one, this is the node which is being used for inpainting ControlNet inpainting Alimama apply, and Alimama recently released the beta model for this ControlNet inpainting. This is the beta model I have downloaded. So earlier there was one alpha model, but I have tested both the models and I see the beta model works really well. So this is the workflow. Once you load the workflow, you know what you have to do, like come to the model part, like whatever model is being used here. You can see Flux Dev AP8 and T5XXL Clipel and one AE dot substancer. This is the VAE encoder is being used here. So there is one more technique, like using the flux fill one you can also inpaint. So in that case, like inpaint model conditioning, this is the node we generally use. And there is one more, another one, that is VAE encode inpainting. So that one actually we don't use, but I have seen like Alibama ControlNet inpainting, this one actually works really well. So I'll quickly show you like how you can install the models very quickly in case you are working on any cloud GPU provider like Vast AI or Runpod or something. So in that case, like configuring the models, downloading the models become very difficult. So I'll show you one basic tricks like how you can quickly download the models. So what you have to do, like you can see this, this is the command I use generally to download the models. So first you have to pip install the this Hugging Face hub and HF transfer. Then you have to log in, like for logging you have to use your token here without any code. So I just kept your token, so you can replace this with your token name, and that's it. So first you have to run this much with your token ID. Once the libraries are installed, then you can rest of the part just you can copy paste and run in your terminal. It will automatically download all the models inside respective folders. Like here you can see the folder structure I have already given like this. So you have to give like this. I'll share the this uh, command text file also, so you can replace this with your token. And for downloading the flux models, using your token may not be, it will not allow you to download just like that. So for that, what you have to do, like in case any model is asking for your like to accept the terms and condition, so in that case, like you have to change the permission of your token from Hugging Face. I'll just show you how you can change that. So this is my Hugging Face uh, login. You have to like come to your profile, then click on the access token. So this is my access token, and from here you have to, what you have to do, like click on this button here and then click on edit permission. And after that you have to select the right permission for everything. Like I'm not showing you everything, but you will see, get to see, like there will be read and write permission. So you have to select the right permission, so then only you will be able to download the flux models through command. Okay, now I'll show you uh, like how this workflow is working. So I have used two segmentation uh, node. Like the first one is Florence 2. This one is very good, like if you want to mask anything automatically, in that case you can use the Florence 2. And along with that I am using segment anything 2, SAM2 segmentation. So this one is not required, the Florence 2 itself is enough. But you can use that one. Like sometimes the combination of both the models works really great. Okay, so I'll just show you how this model is working. So I want to uh, this is my input image, and I want to change the t-shirt color to something like different color. So for segmentation, like I have to mention here like which part of the image I want to segment or I want to mask. So here I'll just write t-shirt, and that is like the masking part. Like you have to mention which part you want to mask, and then come to your clip loader, and here you have to mention like what you want, like on that masking area what you want. So I have written a Q domain wearing plain red shirt. So I'm just changing it, and wearing red t-shirt, and something is written like stay hungry written on the t-shirt. So my prompt is a Q domain wearing t-shirt, stay hungry written on the t-shirt. I'll just run it, and I'll see like if it is able to inpaint any inpaint, and at the same time able to follow the instruction. So you can see here the Florence 2 has masked the t-shirt very nicely. Now the sampler custom advance is running. Okay, it is done. Okay, see, the t-shirt color is changed and stay hungry is written on the t-shirt. So and you can see very nicely it has inpainted. There is no, I mean, sometimes if you see in some other models you will see some distortion around the mask area. So using this beta model, Alimama, this beta inpainting model, I see it is able to uh, mask, I mean it inpaint the area, I mean without any distortion around the border area. So this model, it actually performs really well. And once you inpaint this one, you can then upscale the image. Like the image looks little blurry, but you can upscale it just using any upscale model. You can upscale this image. And now I'll show you one more example. uh, let's say I want to change the hair color. I'll just write here I want to segment the hair area. HAIR here I have written, and in the instruction box I'll write like with red blonde hair. Spelling okay. Let's see if it is able to you know inpaint the hair area. And I want to see like if it is able to inpaint the hair part without any distortion, or if it is able to exactly inpaint the area which where the hairs are. See, it has inpainted very nicely. You can see in some models like this part part of the hair sometimes left out. Because even this small part of the hair, this is also got inpainted. So that is the benefit of using this beta model. It can very precisely inpaint like small areas. One more example I'll show you. Let's say I want to inpaint the earrings. So for that I'll just mention to mask the ear, and here I will write a cute woman wearing golden earrings. I guess it should be RR. Okay. I want to see like if it is able to segment the small part. See, Florence 2, it has successfully marked the small this ear area, and here also you can see the preview. Now I'll see if it is able to uh, replace the earrings with golden earrings. Okay. See, in my actual picture there was a earring. See, but when I inpainted, it got removed. So in that case, like what you have to do when there are small areas you want to inpaint. In that case, so there is one more node which is very important. This is the one, grow mask with blur. So you have to uh, extend the masking area, like you have to just extend it to like I have earlier given 2, so I'll just give 4, or I just give 5. So this is to increase the mask area, so that your control net get some space, extra space, and at the same time it has the knowledge of the knowledge around the surrounding area. So for that, sometimes if the inpainting does not work, you have to increase the uh, masking area with little bit, like 5 pixel or something, and blur radius this one also. Sometimes you have to increase it little bit. Otherwise, most of the time if you just keep 2 for this value, that will work. Okay, let me run it once again. uh, okay, now see, now this time it has inpainted correctly. Okay, see, earlier it was there already, there was a earring. Now it has inpainted with a bigger one. Okay, so you can inpaint with another input image also, like if you have the another image of a earring, so you can use that and inpaint. uh, this automatic inpaint, it will be helpful, like if you want to precisely inpaint the specific area in small areas. And one more example I'll show you, like how you can inpaint the neck area for jewelry. So for jewelry, you have to segment the neck area, and wearing golden necklace. Okay, I'll run it. Okay, now it has inpainted the uh, see, it has added golden this thing, this necklace here. but you can see on the face also it has changed it. So the reason here is, sometimes the Florence and the segment anything too together it may not work. Like you can see in my Florence 2, the masking area is the neck part only, but in a, but for the segment 2, like SAM 2, it has masked the complete face. So in that case, what you have to do, like you have to see like in which cases the combination of both, or which one performs better. So what I will do, I will just disconnect this mask from here, and what I'll do, the mask I will take it from Florence 2, and I will add it to this grow mask with blur, and this one the mask I will just take it from direct from Florence 2, and I'll just reduce this value also to 2, and this one also I'll just reduce it to 2, and now I'll see this time it has inpainted only the neck, sorry, it has masked the only neck area, and you will see the face will be same in this time. Yeah, see it came. So it has added a necklace, and the face is same as it was. Okay, now if I want to add a sunglass to it, what I'll do, like I'll just mention eyes here. Okay, I just want to add something. Now I want to mask the eye, but not both the eyes. I just want to mask the one single eye, like I will mask the left eye, and I want to I'll just increase the mask area to uh, maybe 8, and the radius also. Okay, it is hanging. Blur radius I'll make it 5, and I want uh, something like acute omen wearing an eye patch. So let's see if it is able to segment single eye. Okay, see the Florence 2 model, it is so very advanced. See, you can see the left eye it has segmented, and it has added a eye patch like pirates. Okay, so I'll just update the prompt uh, to cute woman wearing an eye patch, black color, eye patch like pirates. Okay, see it has nicely in painted the left eye. Okay, see. Okay, now I want to add sunglasses, sunglass for both the eyes, and here I want to wearing sunglass. So I guess for sunglass I have to increase the mask area here. So I'll just give something like expand uh, 12 or 15 maybe, and I'll blur radius, I'll just keep it 5. I think for this one I have to okay, inpaint the forehead area also. Yeah, this is good only. So it has inpainted and the I mean marked the correct area only. So that much is enough for sunglass, I guess. Let's see. Ah, see, it has added the sunglass and it looks very real. Okay, and now if I want to inpaint multiple areas, so I'll just add one more text with golden spoon in her mouth. If I just add one more prompt and mouth. Okay, see, for multiple in painting also it has it is able to in paint, but I see the placement of I think this the sunglass also it has you know applied the golden color. So okay, if I give some easy one like sunglass, wearing sunglass and a red t-shirt, and here I'll add t-shirt, and let's see. I see it has not marked the t-shirt area. Okay, maybe I have to if I give the t-shirt like this, and I'll just change it to caption to phrase grounding. Let's let's see. No, this for this one it has marked the mm, okay, rectangle area. Okay, for this one I guess I have to use the SAM2 as well to, but anyway it is able to inpaint both the eyes and the t-shirt, but you can see the area is it is not following the areas of the t-shirt. So the masking is not proper here because it has masked the rectangular area. So for this one what I'll do, I'll take this mask and I'll pass it through SAM2. Okay, and from SAM2 I'll take the mask. Okay, and let's see, this time I guess it will be able to pick the this t-shirt area. Okay, still eyes and t-shirt. Okay, if I correct the spelling t-shirt, still it has not masked the areas properly. Okay, expand, I will change it to 2 like earlier, and this one also I will change it to 2, and let's see if the masking is proper. Okay, mascaria. Okay, okay, this one. Is it able to mask? No. Sam 2 here, it is still not able to. Okay, I'll just preview it here. uh, Preview, mask preview, and I kept it to 2, and here t-shirt caption to phrase. Okay, if I use referring expression segmentation. Oh, now it has inpainted the hand and the face. Okay, if I just mention shirt. Okay, for multiple area segmentation, so I wanted to segment the t-shirt and eyes area, and I can see Florence 2 is able to marks the individual areas. So the task selected is caption to phrase grounding, and if I simply use the mask from Florence 2, in that case only you will get multiple area segmentation. See, in output I have the sunglass and t-shirt, both are changed as per my prompt. So for multiple area segmentation, I guess Sam 2 uh, is not able to segment multiple areas. Even I have kept the individual objects to true, but still it was not able to mask the eyes area. So it was only able to mask the t-shirt area. So for multiple segmentation, you can simply use the Florence 2. And if you use referring expression segmentation, in that case let me just check. See, in that case it is not able to segment the both the areas. So if you are trying to segment multiple areas, in that case caption to phrase grounding is best. So and you can take the mask directly from Florence 2 to your grow mask with blur, and from there you can feed it to your this thing, uh, in paint control net in paint model, this node. And if you want to manually mask the image, that also I'll show you quickly. You can right click, and there will be one an option to open in mask editor, and here you have to mask like whatever. I'll increase the thickness little bit. So let's say if I want to mask the eye area, so I can mask like this, and I'll just save it. And then the mask you have to take from this one. In that case, you don't need to use the Florence 2 or segment anything. So you can take the mask from this mask, and directly feed into your control net in painting. So that's it, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you to understand like different in painting technique. And the flux fill one also, it is same thing. There is nothing new, like everything it will be same only. And to add the Florence to, you can see the connection from this one, and you can add it to here. Like you can just disconnect this mask and search for this Florence to. Okay, I'll just copy it from here. Okay. Yeah, so this one, yeah, not the mask mask from this is for only for manual masking. Yeah, for Florence 2 you have to connect this image node to your Florence 2 image node. So and the rest of the part you can copy it from this workflow, and this should work with flux fill also. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.